Land surveying services are highly sought after in Bangalore's quickly rising Madanyakanahalli neighborhood. You may want to think about hiring land surveyors in the nearby community of Kamasandra if you're seeking for trustworthy and experienced surveyors in Madanyakanahalli. Due to its vicinity to Madanyakanahalli, Kamasandra has undergone tremendous development recently. As a result, there are now several professional land surveying companies operating in the area. Boundary surveys, topographical surveys, construction surveys, and other services are all offered by these companies. They effectively service the surveying demands of both residential and business clients in Madanyakanahalli and the nearby areas, thanks to their knowledge and cutting-edge technology. If you own property in Madanyakanahalli, you must employ a qualified land surveyor to guarantee that the borders of your property are correctly delineated. An experienced land surveyor will correctly measure and map your property using cutting-edge tools and methods. They will also give you a thorough report that contains all the details you require regarding your property. Employing a knowledgeable land surveyor in Kamasandra will give you the peace of mind that any disagreements over your property lines will be settled quickly and successfully. In conclusion, checking into Kamasandra-based land surveyors might be a great alternative if you're seeking for trustworthy surveyors in Madanyakanahalli, Bangalore. These experts have a wealth of practical knowledge and a wide range of services to meet all of your surveying needs. They can deliver precise and trustworthy results thanks to their knowledge and cutting-edge equipment, guaranteeing that your property has been properly inspected. Madanyakanahalli, a fast-expanding Bangalore suburb, has experienced a boom in real estate construction recently. As a result, there is a rising need for local private land surveyors that can offer precise and trustworthy surveying services. There are many options available if you're looking for land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore, but it's important to pick the best one for your requirements. In order to verify that all boundaries are precisely established and recorded, private land surveyors are crucial to the real estate sector. Land surveyors may give property owners vital information about their land, including its size, shape, and any potential limits or limitations, thanks to their skill and knowledge. It's important to take their level of experience, credentials, and background into account while selecting private land surveyors in Madanyakanahalli or Kamasandra, Bangalore. Look for experts that are licensed and insured, and who have several years of expertise in the field. To gain a sense of their reputation, you should also examine their web reviews and ask for recommendations. In conclusion, there are several possibilities available if you're seeking for private land surveyors in Madanyakanahalli or Kamasandra, Bangalore. However, take your time to do your research and pick the ideal expert for your needs. You may prevent legal disputes and make wise judgments about your property with the assistance of a trustworthy and knowledgeable land surveyor.